Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EROS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of showing these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And want to get things updated after today as the price continued to grind higher. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines down here. Sure, those levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that needs to happen comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So that is where $1.57 comes into play. Was that level of resistance, but now would be what I'd call the ideal level of support. And you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above that green line there. And now, again, but don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below $1.57, that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, I mean, if the price can stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back, though, and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.57 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As of right now, nothing fancy other than the fact of where the party stopped today. And that was $1.70, but in the event the price can push up through $1.70, next key overarching level after that, going to be up at levels that haven't been seen for literally several weeks, and that's up there at $1.80. So $1.70, $1.80, next couple of key battlegrounds going forward. But at the end of the day, what matters the most is what the chart has already been doing, and that is this right here. Just keep on building those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue in the upwards direction, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.